बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी साहब जी, बस ठीक है, अब ये बिजनेस लेंगे फिर आगे बात करेंगे।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। थैंक यू जनाब स्पीकर। मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाह रहा हूँ वज़ीर आज़म साहब से कि मैं आई अपोलोजाइज टू द प्राइम मिनिस्टर। ये ऐसे जो आपके साथ हो रहा है by your own team is completely unfair. It is unfair to you, it is unfair to your allies, and it is even unfair to the opposition parties. I agree with the Honourable Minister for Law. The legislation being passed today is not controversial, and there is absolutely no reason for it to become controversial, and there was no need for it to be controversial. I ask Mr. Speaker that why is it that such a legislation is being allowed to be made controversial? When my party and myself has been engaged on this legislation by the Attorney General, by the Interior Minister, and we, despite our reservations with the government, have arrived here today to support the following legislation, I don't believe that there would be any reason that the government allies or even members of the opposition would support the proposed legislation had they been properly engaged on the said subject. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, on the case of Mr. Khan and his treatment, there too I feel, unfortunately, the government could have played its hand better. The Supreme Court of Pakistan has ordered that Mr. Khan be shifted to hospital for his treatment. The government first welcomed the decision, assured us that they would be implementing the decision. Then we found out that the government would be appealing the decision. And now I'm uncertain as to what the fate of that decision or the implementation of that order is. In both these cases, Mr. Speaker, the Prime Minister could have been better supported, better guided by his cabinet and by his team. And there is no reason that today's legislation or the issue of the Supreme Court order needed to be made so controversial. That is all I wanted to add today. Thank you, sir.